Hello and welcome back to Mommy's Yum once again. Today we are going to be making this corned beef sauce. You can see it's really perfect for spaghetti. It's something you can use for yam. You can make it for your kids and for the whole family. It's simple and easy to make. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Mommy's Yum if you haven't, and smash the thumbs up button, smash the like button, and give this video a thumbs up. Help Mommy's Yum to grow, support the channel to grow, and then let's get on with the cooking without wasting so much time. So I've got my ingredients here. I've got a whole corned beef, but I'm going to cut it into two, as you can see. I'm going to use half and then I'm going to save the other half. I always save a whole lot of things because they come in handy when you least expect it. So save half of the corned beef, and this half is really enough for you to make a nice and simple sauce. Now I'm going to add my vegetable oil. You can use any oil that you like, and then I'm going to add my tomato sauce. Like I always say, meal prepping is good. I have a video on how I did this tomato sauce. I did it and put a lot of it in the freezer, so it makes it easy for me to prepare my kids' lunchbox, their school lunch, because I've prepped some things and got them ready. So it's just to fry the tomato sauce. It doesn't take time to fry, as you can see. And then I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm using curry powder this time. And then I'm going to put my Italian seasoning, which is thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Okay, that's my garlic powder. Yeah. You can use any seasoning that you like. Anything you like goes into this. So that's it. My tomato is already fried, you can see. I'm still adding some spices. I'm adding my paprika. If you have paprika, that's fine. If you don't have paprika, it doesn't matter. And then I'm adding my seasoning cube. And now I'm going to add some water to it. You can use water or you can use stock. I'm adding my corned beef. Just add it in and break it into the sauce. You can break it down as much as you want. If you want it to be lumpy, it's up to you, but I'm making this so that everything will be dissolved so that it will look like a thick sauce. If you haven't liked this video yet, please smash the like button, as I said before, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and thank you if you have already. Add some little bit of water depending on the thickness that you want. And then cover and allow to cook. Just allow it to simmer a bit. You can see this doesn't take time. It takes less than 15 minutes to quickly whip up something for the children or for the whole family, depending on who you are cooking for. And here, that's it. Our corned beef is ready. You can see that it's really ready. And then I'm going to add my sweet corn into this. This is quite optional, but I like the color that it gave the corned beef, the reddish and the yellowish color. And that's it there. Just once it cooks for a little while, take it off heat and your sauce is ready. You can serve this with spaghetti, as I said. You can serve it with yam. You can serve it with rice. You can serve it with boiled potatoes or plantain. You can even eat this with bread. This will be so lovely with soft bread. You know that soft bread that we normally like eating. So click that like button if you haven't done so, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.